At Mayo Clinic, we've created BIONIC. BIONIC is integration of bioengineering, biotechnology into neuromodulation and being able to restore brain function, to be able to create cures for disease conditions that result in neurodegeneration, in deterioration of function from spinal cord, nerves, and brain. Our first goal for creating BIONIC is to create this ecosystem, this rich environment where we bring together neurosurgery, neurology, neuroimaging, traditional disciplines within medicine focused on recovery of neuronal function, but also now integrate in a genuine manner to be able to work with the bioengineering, biotechnology, computational scientists, AI scientists, cellular therapeutics, and to be able to then create the opportunities to have the ability to introduce technology that allows restoration of neuronal function, that allows us to use the individual patient's neuronal activity and model that so that we can personalize and individualize the level of neuromodulation that we provide, whether it's through brain-computer interface or neuromodulation or cellular therapeutics, engineered therapeutics, to really personalize the treatment for each patient. The biggest challenge for neurosciences is regeneration, restoration of brain function, neuronal function, and prevention of deterioration. And so in our next efforts and the advances that we make, we have to think of innovative ways that can transform neural degeneration, whether it's from injury, from aging, from disease processes, and be able to think of opportunities where we integrate outside of traditional health provision.